Top 10 Essential Survival Gear and Gadgets on Amazon. Did you know that sales of survival gadgets have skyrocketed by an astonishing 150% in the past year alone? It's a clear sign that more and more folks are recognizing the importance of being ready for anything. And we're here at Best Cool Tech to help you do just that. These gadgets could quite literally make the difference from your uh-oh to oh wow. Don't forget to click that subscribe button because we're unveiling the tech that even Tarzan would trade his vine for. So gear up and let's geek out together. Number 1. Onyx Dynamic Paddle Life Vest. This ultimate lifesaver that's about to become your new best friend in the wild is the High and Dry Hero Jacket. You might be somewhere out adventuring, conquering mountains and rivers like a boss. But hey, even superheroes need backup, right? This bad boy's got your back, literally. With a mesh that fits high back seats, shoulder adjustments so comfy they're like a bear hug from a fluffy cloud, and more reflective bling than a disco ball, you'll be the star of any survival dance-off. But wait, there's more. Expandable pockets for your snacks, essential survival gear, and heavy-duty nylon that's as tough as your determination. Moreover, if you're worried about those unexpected water aerobics, fear not. The attached whistle's got your vocal cords covered. US Coast Guard approved? Check. Zipper assist loop? Check. It's like a life jacket had a baby with a superhero suit. So if you're ready to rock the survival runway with style, get yours today. Number 2. Cyalume Glow Sticks. Unleash your inner glow-getter with Militant Magic Chem Lights. These military-grade glow sticks aren't just illuminating, they're practically the Beyoncé of survival gear. With 20 Cyalume military glow sticks delivering 12 hours of brilliance, you'll outshine the stars themselves. Waterproof, non-flammable, and as essential as your trusty sidekick, these Chemlight champions are the ultimate light for any adventure. Activate them with a super snap and conquer the darkness like a pro. Don't just survive, thrive with the radiance of Militant Magic Chemlights by your side. Number 3. Clipray Clip-On Flashlight and Smartphone Charger. Say hello to our survival buddy with a side of fun. No batteries are needed, just give it a quick crank for 10 minutes of light or juice up your smartphone. Clip it on with the carabiner clip and conquer darkness like a pro. It's not just about giggles, they've partnered with the American Red Cross for more than 30 plus years, ensuring your safety while you embrace the excitement. From camping trips to backyard bashes, the cranky dynamo has your back. So get ready to laugh, light up, and stay charged, all with the twist of your wrist. Number 4. Bushnell Digital Equinox Night Vision Monocular. Get ready to embrace your inner Spielberg with the Bushnell Night Vision Marvel. This isn't just gear, it's your backstage pass to the animal kingdom's greatest hits. Capture mind-blowing day or night video on a micro SD card, making you the ultimate wildlife documentarian. With a built-in IR illuminator that outshines even the moon, you'll be spotting critters from a whopping 650 feet away. It's like having superhero vision. Zoom in for detective-level detail and enjoy full-color daytime viewing that'll leave you speechless. From your backyard to the wild unknown, the Bushnell Night Vision Marvel is your survival essential for cinematic wildlife wonders. Rock and roll, Attenborough style. Number 5. Walker's Walkie Talkie. Unleash the power of communication with the Razor Talkie's walkie-talkie attachment. Designed to seamlessly integrate onto Walker's Razor muffs sold separately, this nifty gadget transforms your gear into a high-tech communication hub. Whether you're trekking solo or exploring with friends, enjoy hands-free convenience up to 3 miles away using push-to-talk or voice-activated transmit modes. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, these talkies offer 22 channels and 99 sub-channels, keeping your group coordinated and connected. So elevate your outdoor escapades, from hiking trails to camping grounds, and experience a whole new level of survival savvy. Folks, we're halfway through this survival gadget bonanza. If you're enjoying these life-saving tech gems, make sure you're not just surviving. Thrive by hitting that like button and consider subscribing. You never know when a thumbs up might come in handy in the wild, right? Now, back to exploring the ultimate survival gear. Number 6. Primacare Emergency Disposable Blanket. Unleash the Heat Shield Hero, your survival Swiss Army blanket designed to conquer the wild with cozy confidence. Crafted from premium materials, this compact transport wonder is your trusty shield against the elements. Rain, wind, no match. It's your waterproof fortress, ready to keep you snug as a bug on any adventure. Ensures 90% body heat retention so you're toasty wherever you roam. Whether you're trekking, camping, or just braving a sudden chill, the Heat Shield Hero has your back, keeping you warm and warrior ready. From emergency situations to outdoor escapades, this blanket is the ultimate multitasker. Embrace the warmth. Embrace the Heat Shield Hero. Number 7. VEITORLD Survival Gear Kits. The ultimate dad gear is a multi-tool powerhouse that's about to transform every dad into a superhero of survival and DIY. Tired of tool-searching chaos? This 12-in-1 marvel is here to save the day. Wire saws, water bottle clips, emergency blankets, and more. It's a compact survival Swiss Army knife for any situation. Out and about, your multi-tool comes with a free belt pouch, turning you into a real-life MacGyver on the go. Camping, hiking, or just tackling that never-ending to-do list, conquer it all with ease. So, choose the ultimate dad gear today and let the adventures begin. Number 8. Snare Wire. A time-traveling treasure chest of tactical awesomeness. This 3-pack gem boasts official USGI issue rolls, each holding 160 feet of versatile wizardry. A dynamic duo of bold yellow and rugged OD green. It's like a survival superhero in tape form. From quick fixes to ingenious creations, this tape transcends time and expectations. It's your trusty sidekick for patching, binding, and embracing challenges like a pro. Yes, there's a hint of vintage flair and a sprinkle of wear, but that's the beauty of a true survivor. Join the ranks of the savvy and prepared. The Survival Tape Trio is your ticket to crafting tales of triumph and MacGyver-esque feats. So dive in, tape up, and conquer with confidence. Number 9. ACW Mini Fire Kit. The pocket-sized flame magician that's about to spark up your survival game. Compact as a tic-tac but packing a punch, this mini marvel is the ultimate preparedness pal. Slide it into your kit, backpack, or even your pocket for adventure-ready magic anytime, anywhere. From wilderness escapades to everyday heroics, it's the ultimate adventure gear survival EDC all-rounder. Crafted with love in the heart of America, this dynamo weighs in at a feather-light 1 to 2 ounces and measures just 2.5 inches tall. It's your portable fire starter, always ready to ignite campfires and light up your day. Number 10. Water Purification Tablets. Meet your hydration heroes, Aqua Saviors Water Purification Tablets. With 2 bottles, each packing 50 mighty tablets, they're your portable water wizards. From wild adventures to globe-trotting escapades, these tablets turn iffy water into liquid gold. Jardia Lamblia, these tablets say not on our watch. Questionable water, they've got your back, making it clean and drinkable. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or facing unexpected disasters, the Aqua Saviors are your go-to guardians of hydration. Keep them with your gear and let the crystal clear fun flow. Stay refreshed, stay prepared. These tablets are your secret to sipping success. Whew, we conquered the Amazon wilderness of surviving gear together. But hey, the adventure doesn't have to end there. If you're hungry for more tech wizardry and ready for whatever challenges the future holds, don't forget to subscribe to Best Cool Tech. Join our tribe of tech-savvy survivors and let's keep embracing the coolest gadgets life has to offer. Until next time, stay geeky and stay prepared.